in the arms of the one you love this New Year's Eve, because of course you should be at this time of year, shouldn't you? Now, it's very special sometimes at New Year to speak to a couple of people who've made a real effort to be somewhere, and having just seen Kate and Wills, I think it's quite apt that we should speak to Naeem and Angeline. Naeem, your other half doesn't know that we had a little conversation a few moments ago, does she? Perhaps you'd like to share with her what we discussed.
Angeline Catino Diaz, you know how much I love you, and I wanted to ask you a very important question. Will you marry me?
Oh, the answer's yes! What a fantastic way to celebrate New Year's Eve. Congratulations from all of us, well done guys. And actually, the timing of that wonderful proposal was perfect, because if you look over to the other side of the river, you can see that the clock is counting down 50 seconds until the most incredible fireworks display you've ever seen. And this year, as a special treat, it's been set to music by our friends at Radio 1. It really is going to be very special. It's now time to light up the London sky. Listen, if 2010 has been a